Morning everyone. Sunday morning. Raining. Bad. But we're off out anyway. So we're going to put a strap over this middle part. I couldn't be bothered yesterday. Try and fill this space up. Right, let's get and find some tat. Let's get it done and filled and get back, and I'll fill you in later, guys. Catch you later. Scrap of the morning. The later. And a clothesline. Oh, clothesline, right. Just thinking where to put this. Now I've got a gap there. I don't know if that can't come out, but I can get a washing machine there. Let's give me some more taffet. And some alley there. Couple of jet washes. I think there's some behind me. A cart of jet washes. Nice big heavy motors. That was alright. I think these are aluminium. I don't think them are these ramps without them, are they? Oh, they are on plastic. Plastic. I think them are these car lamps. But I'll have them. Woohoo! Get down! We'll get some more tappers. We have got some more. What we got here? A rowing machine. A Roger Black rowing machine. Let's have it on the back, guys. So I watch these things. They always catch my fingers and slide back. That's on. Gonna get some more taffet. Another cloud off that. We still got some more. And we got some more. I wish this rain had stopped. Alright, there you go. Oh, 2 spinners. Cable and mountain. There we go, let's go and get some more tap. I think the rain's going to stop around about 12 o'clock. Oh, it's good weather. Something's get out there at the light. Oh dear, mate. Move me tools. Oh, got a bit more tattoo, guys. Got some lights, got some pans. There we go, look. It all adds up. We'll get some more tattoo. Right, we have got some more here, guys. A tumble dryer. I've got to make some spice. Should be able to get that straight on there. I've even got my trolley, look. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. Gonna get some more tack. It's gonna be a long video because this has been running for ages. Oh, we got some more. We got some more. What we got? Oh, a toolbox and a wheelbreaker. Anything in it? Oh, look at that. Look at the tashi drill. Object. Check that windbreaker as well. Oh, I can see one of them. That looks so good, doesn't it? There we go. Go get some more tack, guys. Oh, so I'm not just had some steel in here, want my camera wire on. No fan eater. Plug that in a minute, see if it works. And what's in there? What's in here? Nothing. Glass. Shredded Bertha. Nice. Lot of wood. That's all we've got in there. Right, another little fan eater. Got a bit more here, guys. That's alright, that is. You get the lights, are they? Oh yeah, them are nice, I like them. Oh, got some whites in them and all. Oh, let's get on. Let's put a cable on them as well. I'll leave that check. I think that's what they sit on. Right. Is anything in this skip? No. Guys, I'm back. Time 20 past 11. I am. I'm full. I've got a good load on. I'm just picked some good steel up, some good interesting stuff as well. Just picked a socket set up out of a skip, believe it or not. The stuff people took away, it's unreal. But yeah, I'm full. I've got a bit more to go on from round the back. I've got a washing machine and a few other bits to fill that gap in there that you're seeing. But yeah, I'm full. The springs have got a bend in them as well. Got a slight bend in them, so yeah, I'm happy with that. Like I say, I've got some more stuff to chuck on. A washing machine, loud and loose and scrappy steel to fill that gap in at the back. That's ready to weigh in. And it'll be tomorrow or Tuesday. And there we go. Full load! Right guys, as always, if you like my channel, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out massive. And I'll catch you on the way in. Have a good one, guys.